This was my first time making moimoi like this, and I tell you, if you're used to eating 2 wraps of moimoi and you jam this one, you will eat 5 and even ask for more. Let's just say by the time you eat 6 or 7, your body fit calm down small. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. As you may already know, I don't like to waste time on this channel, so let me walk you through how I make this very delicious moimoi. To make this moimoi, I'm going to need fresh coconut milk, so I'm using my rock power blender to blend 2 medium-sized coconuts so I can extract the milk. Don't worry, I am going to list everything I used in the description box. If you have watched 2, 3, 4 of my videos but you haven't subscribed, something tells me and you that you're enjoying my content. And if you subscribe, you'll be the first to know when I post new content. So please subscribe now. Alright, after blending the coconut, I am going to strain using a cheesecloth to extract the milk. I want to not use too much water so the milk is as creamy as possible. Now this is ready. I'm going to set this aside. Next, I have my already peeled beans which I soaked for about 1 hour, and to that I'm going to add lots of onions. Please, when making moimoi, use lots of onions. It makes a lot of sense. Also to that, I added some atarodo, some tatache, that's red bell pepper, and some bawa, that's cayenne pepper. So I added the coconut milk and I'm going to blend this very smooth. I'm not using water to blend. Instead of water, I am using the coconut milk. And look at how smooth my blender blended these. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up and also share with your friends. I rinsed out the blender with some coconut milk and added a blend of crayfish powder, stock cube, and salt. A little oil because you know coconut is already oily, so you don't want to use too much oil. Once all the ingredients are in, I'm just going to stir this till it's smooth and well combined, like what you're looking at right now. Not too thick, not too thin. I tell you, this is a perfect consistency for moimoi. If you want the texture you saw at the beginning of this video, this is the thickness you want to aim for. Now I'm just going to wrap in leaves and add a bit of fish. I have one method of wrapping moimoi in leaves that will not fail even the person who is trying for the first time. It is very easy and works every time. No spill, no mess. You will feel like you've been wrapping moimoi since being a toddler. If you would like to see it, I'll put the link to the video in the description box. Quick tip, always start with as little water as possible so that when it boils, it doesn't penetrate the leaves and enter the moimoi. Also allow water to heat up before placing moimoi in it so that moimoi can firm up quicker. I am done wrapping my moimoi now and I'm just going to cover everything up. As you can see, this pot is loaded, so I couldn't put the lid on. But to trap in steam, which is what we really need to cook this moimoi, I covered with a leaf first, then a nylon. I cooked this for 40 minutes on medium heat. Alright, moimoi is ready. You see the steam here? Don't even try to use your bare hands to open this. It can cook someone's hand. See, this moimoi, I will not talk too much. Just go and try it and you will see how so good it is. If you have watched to this point, I really want to thank you and I hope that you're going to try this recipe. I am confident you're going to enjoy it thoroughly. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I will be back soon with another recipe. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.